Welcome to this meditation for overcoming feelings of depression. I am honored to guide you. It can be very troubling to struggle with depression, but when you take the time out every day to sit in meditation and observe, you will find that you can slowly pull yourself out from the depths of depressive feelings. So begin by making sure you will not be disturbed by anyone or anything for the duration of this recording. This valuable time is for you to relax and tune into your body sensations and your emotional state. Developing a consistent meditation and mindfulness practice is proven to help you lead a happier, more peaceful life and improve your general state of well-being. So value this time during this session as sacred. Relaxing into a very comfortable position, make any last adjustments to your body so that all of your muscles can let go and fall limp. Once you find your spot, take a deep breath in and then remain still. If you need to move or adjust your position at any time during this session, feel free to do so. But otherwise, maintain a stillness as best you can. Breathing in deeply and exhaling, sinking into the surface that supports you. Whether you suffer from severe episodes of depression or occasional bouts of unhappiness, meditation is proven to help you. All it takes is dedication to the practice and techniques daily. So let's reset your mind back to the natural state of joy, giving you freedom to live a happier and healthier life. Imagine that the breath is a tool for relaxation. Breathe in, and as you exhale, you become more relaxed. Breathe in again, and exhale. Relax. Next, allow your breath to slow down. Breathing. Slowing and calming the breath. Becoming slower and slower. This feels so good. A great way to fight feelings of despair is through practicing the body scan technique. It is very simple and a common method of calming the mind and body through focused attention on different areas of the body. It can be done at any place, any time, and in any way that feels best for you. Allow me to guide you through a body scan and just enjoy the relaxation that comes from focusing on the body in the present moment. Now lay your toes on your right foot, relax, just by placing your focus here. Then your toes on the left foot. Let them relax. Then relax both feet. Feel the relaxation traveling up to your ankles. Feeling a deep and peaceful sensation traveling up your lower legs. Up to your knees and thighs. Relaxing your hips and pelvis. A calm and soothing feeling is filling your abdomen. Your digestive system. Relaxing your lower back as well. Now imagine this relaxing sensation is traveling up your back. As well as up through your ribs and chest. Relaxing your heart. Calming the lungs. Breathe deeply in and out. Become aware of the relaxation traveling to your shoulders. Down each arm, removing tension along the way. all the way to each fingertip. Now noticing it going up to your neck, letting go of any stress or strain you have here. Your entire head relaxes. Your ears, eyes, nose, mouth, jaw and chin, and your entire forehead. All the way to the very top of your head. Breathe in deeply again, allowing this relaxation to multiply. Now let's focus on our thoughts. Did you know that we have over 60,000 thoughts a day? You must know with this number, not all of what you think is true. So what kind of thoughts led you to feel depressed or sad? Notice them. I bet they are familiar feelings and familiar thoughts. And then say to yourself, I no longer want to think this way anymore. Because that's why you're here. To think positively and feel good and do all that you ever dreamed. So let's begin to implement new thoughts right now. And through this practice of repetition, through meditation, you are changing what you think because you have the power of choice. Thoughts create reality. So let's change the way we think so that we can experience the life we desire. Say to yourself these positive statements. And even if they don't feel true for you right now, this is a new technique you are starting of positive thinking, and practicing it makes for perfect. repeating to yourself and changing your life. I have a strong mind. I am freed from the grip of depression. I choose to think only positive thoughts. I naturally see the best in everyone and everything. I am happy to be who I am. I have overcome depression. I enjoy life and let go of the past. Beating depression has made me strong and resilient. Happiness and gratitude are my way of life. When I get down, I think of as many positive things as I can. Wonderful. Accessing these positive statements is now your priority on a daily basis, no matter how false they may feel at first. Train yourself to think positively. It takes dedication and practice to overcome depression and negativity. And you have the power to do it. Gently rise from your meditation, feeling a new fresh start on life. Take one last deep breath and open your eyes.